Paano ba maging isang TikTok affiliate? The first requirement of TikTok is dapat meron kang TikTok account, of course, either personal account or business account, but I highly suggest go with the personal account kasi pwede mong magamit yung mga trending, mga music. Kaysa sa business account kasi is marami siyang mga restrictions. And next is merong update na si TikTok ngayon wherein you are not allowed na to create mga still images when, hence the word still, like parang naka-slideshow lang or parang umikot-ikot lang yung product ganun, pero hindi mo naman ini-explain. So right now is TikTok is enhancing its platform to make it more engaging because ever since from the start, TikTok is for entertainment talaga. TikTok is more on content creation. Hindi naman talaga siya more on sa selling. Nag-trending lang siya kasi marami nang nagbebenta, meron na ding TikTok affiliate program, ganun. Dun mas din nag-boom si TikTok. But we all know, diba dati, TikTok is more on sa mga filters or sa mga trending na mga songs, mga dance moves, diba? Ganun yun. So, going back is kapag nakapag 600 followers ka na is you need to apply to be a TikTok affiliate. Guys, I just learned being a TikTok affiliate nang dahil lang din sa TikTok University or sa YouTube University. Like, I use the experience of other people to leverage mine. Like, I learned from them. I learned from their mistakes. Tapos, nag-create ako ng collection sa TikTok, like, okay, etong content na to is more on siya on mga how-tos or mga TikTok affiliate tutorial. Kini-create ko yan, kino-collect ko yan. Tapos, I just hide it. Like, it's my own personal collection. Ako lang yung makakakita na hindi nakikita. Even though nakapublic yung, tawag dito, yung TikTok account ko. Hindi yan makikita. Like, naka-hide lang siya. Personally mine. Ganon. Very big challenge na pala yung pagiging TikTok affiliate, guys. Because you really need to understand the algorithm of TikTok. You need to understand on how to create an engaging video. You really need to know how to do storytelling and treating your audience as your friend na kilala mo talaga. Like, you need to really talk to the camera na, uy, best, ganun. Na hindi, because people hate, even me, I hate it when people sell me things na hindi naman ako readyng bilhin yon unless if ako yung lalapit sa'yo, I'm willing to hear your sales talk about the features and the pros and cons of the product, and I really wanted transparency kasi I hate it when sellers yung parang nang-hype yung palaging mga good specs lang yung pinapakita, ganun. Like, ano ba yung mga bad specs? Tapos, let's say, nag-trending yung specific na cellphone, ganun. Sasabihin, ay, ang ganda nito, ganito, ganyan. Tapos, for 1 week pa lang na-try, sobrang ganda. Syempre, maganda pa talaga yun kasi 1 week pang nagagamit. Pero, after 1 year, ano na yung feedback mo dun sa first video mo? Ano na nangyari? Maganda pa din ba yung performance? Yeah, nandun na yung thought na maluluma talaga yung phone. Di ba kasi meron siyang processor. Tapos, fast changing na talaga yung world natin ngayon. Di ba? There are a lot of inventors who keeps on enhancing phones. And that's good talaga na you keep on, we all know, change is really constant. And I just like sellers na ipapakita talaga yung pros and cons, like upfront, or they would tell it in the future. Like, let's say, nagpo-promote sila ng laptop. Like, say, for example, etong laptop na to, etong laptop na to, sasabihin ko na affordable siya, ganun, affordable. And then, para siyang brand new again, pero hindi po siya brand new, or like, parang, ikaw yung una, second hand po to. Yung parang, transparent ba? Ano ba yung expectation na dapat mong malaman? Hindi pwedeng, like, nag-extra mile yung tawag dito, yung seller, tapos pagkakuha ng buyer, ay, hindi pala totoo yun, like, parang false advertising. Ang pangit kasi nun, guys. Ang pangit talaga. Ang pangit. And, tawag dito, it would go back to the image of you as the seller, image ng brand na pinopromote mo if TikTok affiliate ka. Ganun. So, you really need to tell the people the good side and the bad side kasi there is no perfect product, guys. Walang perfect na product. Kahit number 1 man yan, hindi talaga yan perfect. Kahit iPhone, right? We can rank phones. Ang iPhone talaga yung pinakamaganda. Maganda yung ecosystem, ganun. But in the ecosystem of the iPhone itself, palagi silang nag-i-improve from this kind of generation of iPhones up until naging iPhone 16 Pro, Pro Max, ganun. Tapos, meron ng iOS 26, meron ng iba't ibang chipset, mga MP4 chip or A16 chip. Di ba, marami na, bi. Sobrang dami. And that's good. And as a TikTok affiliate, hindi lang talaga siya pagbibenta, guys. Parang nawawiden din yung perspective mo talaga as a consumer, and yung nasa middle ka. Like, you are a consumer and you are also like a seller who wants to recommend people na ito yung gamit ko and I can testify that it's good for this purpose, ganon. And then, ang pagiging TikTok affiliate is hindi lang din dapat magaling ka sa communication, dapat din parang customer service, magaling ka din mag-empathize or makirelate sa ibang tao, and you need to get that kiliti or hook na in 3 seconds pa lang papanoorin ng buo ng audience mo or target market mo yung video mo talaga. Ganun yung TikTok affiliate. It's not an easy money, guys, and the reason why nagbo-boom yung affiliation sa TikTok, sa Orange app, soon sa na din sa Red app. Alam niyo na kung ano yung Red app, guys. Alamin niyo na lang kung ano yung Red app. Ano ba yung social media na color red? Okay? Basta yun is because it promotes creativity to people. Ano siya nakaka-leverage siya on both aspects, like ecosystem talaga ng tao. Because we all know sales is really the driver of success when it comes to business. And dito mo mai-enhance na, ay magaling pala ako sa sales, ay magaling pala ako maganto, maganyan. Doon mo makikita yung sarili mo na dati nahihiya ako sa camera, hindi ako marunong magsalita. Gusto ko na lang, naka-scripted lahat. But people want it to be natural. Kasi kapag in-edit mo siya ng masyado be like, sasabihin nila, too perfectionist, ganon, or hindi ako nakaka-relate, ganon. Like, parang may gap. Like, merong line dyan na, basta yung mapapaganon, if it's too perfect or too much editing. Yes, it's a visual hook, but magugulat ka na lang yung mga videos na nakikita mo sa TikTok na mga 1 minute or 60 seconds lang, yun pa yung magti-trend. Okay? Because the attention span of people, even though tayong mga adults, kaya natin ng focus in ilang hours, unlike kids na 2 seconds pa lang pag hindi yan interesting para sa kanya, ay dead man na. Okay, ganun si TikTok. Baby. Baby si TikTok, guys. And baby din yung mga audience mo. So you really need to hook them. And that's really one of the main goal of being a TikTok affiliate. Dapat marunong kang mag-content. Yes, at the very beginning, you are gonna be lost. But as time goes by, you're really gonna learn it. And social media is the key, guys. Tutorial is the key. Panoorin nyo lahat ng mga nag-tutorial dyan. You will learn from their experience and their tutorial.